Good to see you, everybody.
Great to see you. Are you ready for the party?
Oh, you know it, Justin.
Can't see Brady.
Hey there, kids. Welcome to my place. So glad you decided to come and celebrate your very special birthday with me. And you brought all your friends and family, too. Very cool. And as a matter of fact, let's just take a second to thank the grown-ups who brought you to my place to celebrate your birthday today. Can we stand to our feet and show them some gratitude?
Hey, Brady, who is that?
Yeah, that's it. And now, a round of applause. Get it? A round of applause. There you go. Perfect. All right, let's move on with the business at hand. Everyone take a seat, unless you're a birthday star.
All right, Ty,
Since
Ty,
you
come
are a
back,
very
bud.
special guest today, the cast and I would like to treat you as royalty. Do we have the crowns? Yeah! Well, what are we waiting for then? Let's strike up the band and start the royal ceremony. I want to shake your hand and wish you a personal happy birthday myself.
Look at Brady.
Hey, it was me for you.
Wow, Justin, it's so good to see Chucky getting in there, shaking hands, giving
Hey,
high
Ashley,
fives, and
tell Brady to
wishing
dance.
birthday wishes. So personable. He certainly is, Kelly. You know, not only is he so nice, but he is great at throwing terrific birthday parties. Oh, check this out. If I'm not mistaken, he's about to get things going here.
All right, everybody. We're going to have some fun here before we get to lighting candles, making wishes, and such. Are you ready to get loud? I said, are you ready to get loud? But come on now. You can do better than that. Are you ready to get loud? Now that's more like it. Now we're going to have a little competition. I'm going to draw an invisible line right here to make two teams, okay? If you're over here on my right, you're going to shout, happy, and then clap your hands over your head like this. Let's try that. When I point to you, you say happy.